If you need to delete an invoice using Zoho CRM in N8n, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you save time, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8n and automation guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add the invoice deletion step, so make sure you're in the correct automation before making any changes. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel and choose Zoho CRM. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. After that, select the Delete N8n Invoice action. This is the specific operation that tells Zoho CRM you want to remove an invoice record. Now comes the important part. Configure what you want to delete. You need to make sure the invoice is identified correctly so the right record gets removed. Set up the required fields based on the invoice data you already have in your workflow, such as the invoice ID or any mapped value coming from a previous node. Double check that the information points to the exact invoice you want deleted, because once the workflow runs, that record will be removed from Zoho CRM. After your fields are configured, review the node one more time to make sure everything is connected properly and the input data is correct. Then save your workflow and test it if needed to confirm the delete action works the way you expect. And that's it. You've now set up Zoho CRM in N8n to delete an invoice inside your workflow. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.